Hello, welcome to this next installation or installment of Tahrpup Linux 6.0.2. Um, in our last tutorial, we talked about how to configure the firewall on Tahrpup Linux. So in this tutorial, what we will be discussing is how to configure um, or how to install software on Tahrpup Linux. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, in order to install different packages on Tahrpup Linux, you're going to want to go to the setup, you're going to want to go to the install icon. So we double click or we left click on it once. It comes up to this page, and then from here you want to choose the tab Install Applications. And then from there, you want to go down to the first button right here for Puppy Package Manager. Left click on that once. Alright, and it comes up to here. Incidentally, it also has a package for you to install or update Puppy Linux from 6.0.2 to 6.0.3. I recommend that you go ahead and install that so that you can update your Puppy Linux to the next available version. I'm not going to do that right now, but it is recommended to go ahead and install this new service pack. So I'm just going to cancel that for now. And from here, this is where we come to install different software and packages on our Tahrpup Linux. Now, to install a package, if you look over here, you have what are known as repositories. Repositories are just databases that have different types of packages and software that you can install for your distribution, for your Linux distribution. The repositories that Tahrpup Linux 6.0.2 will be installing from is the Ubuntu repositories. And then they do have their own repository as well. I'm not sure if that's related to Ubuntu as well, but they definitely have an Ubuntu repositories, or they share. They get their packages from some Ubuntu repositories. So to start with, you just come over here to the search box. You type in the software package that you're looking for. We're going to go ahead and try and install a very small package or software. This is Nmap. Nmap is you go ahead and type it in, and then either you can press enter on your keyboard, or you can press this button right here for the search key. And then it comes up with your package. Now, in order to install your package, the next thing that you want to do is you want to come down here and choose the package name. Once you do that, you'll see it over here in the packages to install. Now, if you want to unchoose a package and you decide, well, I decided I don't want to install it, if you just left click on it once, it'll go ahead and remove it. Alright, but we want to go ahead and install this package. So once again, just choose it by highlighting on it, by left clicking on it once, and it comes over here. And then we leave everything here set to auto or auto install, and then we come over here and we click on install. And this little black window comes up with the little scripts that are used for installing Nmap software. So we just wait for it to install on this system, and it's basically as simple as that. You can install whatever packages you may find in the repositories for your Tahrpup Linux. And then when it's done, this screen will come up, and you just look and see what was successful, what failed, and what libraries were missing. As we can see, everything was successful. There were no errors and there were no missing libraries. So you click OK, and your package is installed. Alright, now if you decide later on that you want to uninstall a package that you recently or whenever you installed it, you just come back up here, you type in the search box again, your package or software name, you click on the search icon, you will see it come down here, but instead of choosing it, you don't choose it from here, you come over here and you choose on uninstall. You left click on uninstall once, okay? And then from here, let's see, you can come over, choose the package name. Oh, okay, that's just to install it. Then from here, let's see, you should be able to choose it again. There it is, Nmap 6.1. All right. And then once you highlight it by left clicking on it once, then you go ahead and choose the uninstall button. Choose it one more time. Oh, I'm sorry. You come down here to the bottom and choose on remove package then. I apologize. Choose that and it will go ahead and uninstall the package. So it's just that simple. And then this another page will come up and you'll see the success, failed, or dependencies. So as you can see, it was successfully uninstalled. Oh, wait a minute, remove package report, success, bummer. Let's see here. The following packages are dependencies for the package you just removed. You may want to remove them too, or reinstall the package. Alright, you can just go ahead and uninstall that when you get ready. Let's see, it's the package name liblinear 1.8. You can just click OK. Come over here, find liblinear 1.8, highlight it, choose the remove package button. Okay, now I did remove that. There are no errors. And it says there's one other package we need to remove, and that's liblast3 1.2. Click OK. Find liblast. And I think we also want to choose ZenMap because that one came up too. And then just choose auto remove. Oh, I'm sorry. Then choose remove package. And if it keeps coming up saying that you've got some more dependencies that you want to uninstall or that you need to uninstall, just go ahead and uninstall them. But I think that you don't have to uninstall the rest of these packages, especially if you're not going to use it. But you can go ahead and uninstall it. Let's see, Python Go object is also a package that they want you to uninstall. Let's just go ahead and see if we can uninstall all the packages. Okay, we uninstalled all the packages. There are no errors and there are no dependencies. So you just click OK and you're done. Alright, and so that's how you install and uninstall software on Tahrpup Linux. Also, if you come over here to the left hand side, see this icon here that says Quick Pup. If you left click that once, you can also come up here and do Tahrpup updates. You can also change kernels and what have you. But if you want to do any updates to update your Tahrpup distribution, this is definitely a place where you can come to. You go ahead and choose that and you'll update your Tahrpup Linux. So I think that's the end of that of this lesson for installing software packages and updates on your Tahrpup Linux. Thank you very much for looking at this video and you have a good day.